children, welcome back to social class. We already in which lesson? Block 9 Northern Mountains, and we already completed our 3 LPs, LP1, LP2, LP3. In those 3 lessons what we have discussed, we have seen one Ravi family who is living in Mana in Uttarakhand, and how he used to live with his family in the Northern Mountains, where he used to have a hotel and where he used to help his father and mother by helping in the hotels, and what are their food and what are their clothes they used to wear, and how they are lifestyle, how they will getting income by depending on the tourists, right? Up to now we have seen all these things by LP1, LP2, LP3. Now today we are going to see by the tourist, because what we have learned in all 3 lessons, that the Northern Mountains are the tourist spots. These Northern Mountains are attracting a lot of people to those areas. Before they are not that much comfy to come, but after some changes, when people had did some changes to those places, it had attracted a lot of outer side people. What are the effects when people are increasing in the Northern Mountains or the hill stations? What are the effects in that particular places, in that particular places where people are facing, and along with the people the nature also is facing? Today we are going to see. So today's our lesson is threats to the Himalayas. So everyone, to know that, we have to read one story. Everyone open block 9 Northern Mountains, page number 57, Ravi's story please. Okay, everyone follow the paragraph. Recently, a lot of shops have come up in Mana village. The number of tourists have also increased. Some of them throw garbage around, which makes the place dirty. They also waste a lot of water. People have built many hotels and shops on the slopes of the mountains for the tourists. A lot of trees have been cut for wood, and forests have been cleared to make these buildings. Ravi heard that this is causing landslides and floods in the mountains. He fears that his village might soon get washed away by floods. So we have read the story. Now we will discuss about the story. Let's follow the class. After the reading the story, what you have observed, what Ravi want to tell to us? Yes, Ravi is trying to tell to us the changes before, when the place is not much developed as a tourist place, and after when the Mana has changed into tourist place. What are the main changes he has told us? That a lot of trees used to be, that a lot of trees is being cutting to make the roads and the buildings, to make new hotels. A lot of trees are being cutting. Why? Because to make the roads and to make the new buildings for the hotels. What I have told that those are the mountain plains. When we have a mountains, what are those common here? The snow and the pine trees are very common in that places. And if the snow is there and the pine trees and pine forests are there, can we go through those forests and can we walk in the snowy mountains? Is it possible? No. Then definitely we need a good roads to attract a lot of people as a tourist in that places. What we need clear roads and some places to stay those tourists. So people are to get income. They are trying to make the clean roads by cutting these trees and making new buildings as their hotels. And when the people are coming to those places, what they are doing? They are making those places dirty by throwing a lot of garbage like water bottles, biscuit packets, food packets, and they are not following the rules which our government is making to make those areas clean. Wherever they are eating, wherever they are drinking the water bottle, simply they are throwing that garbage on the roads. So because of these things, what are the side effects where we have to face, or the people who are living in the Mana are facing? That places are being very dirty. So what are the other things that Ravi has changed? That number of tourists are increasing. Nowadays the transport has, that we have a lot of choices for transportation. Before days it's not easy to go everyone in the aeroplanes. Nowadays the aeroplane charges are decreases, so everyone using aeroplanes and good trains also we have nowadays. Transport system has developed in India. So by using these all things, people are going in hill stations and far long away, even it is Jammu and Kashmir are more than highest places in India. People are going to see the places as a sightseeing places in the summer, especially in the summer season. They are going to stay in hill stations to enjoy the nature, to enjoy that coldness in summer. So what happened when the roads are good, when we have a good accommodation and good hotels are there, what we do? Obviously we want to go and we want to live there. So what happened? The number of tourists also has increased in those northern mountains, right? After that, so what happened? So again the places are being very crowded and dirty. And when the continuous vehicles are coming into the northern mountains, what are the side effects? We will easily can say that place also being very polluted because of the air pollution will happen because of the heavy vehicles, right? So what are the side effects here? We can say that tourists are increased, and to make the clear roads, what the people are doing, they are cutting the trees and the dirty, the garbages, the pollution in the air also increasing. And when the people are cutting the trees, what are the main side effects here the people are facing? Yes, the landsliding. How the mountains will be like this, right? And if you have trees on them, so what is the main advantage of this? The trees will help the trees and their roots will help to hold the soil strongly, right? When you have a trees on the slopy mountains, what is the main advantage? The trees and their roots will hold the soil very strongly. But when you take away the trees from the mountainous slopes, what are the side effects we have to face? That when you remove whole tree from those places or many trees in those places, we will see that soil will removed by the water or the air. Have you understood what I am saying? When you remove the trees from the snowy mountains, first what are the things will happen? Here we will have to see some big like after that here we have a empty space. So there is no trees which can hold the soil strongly. When the rain will come or when the air will blow in a faster movement, what are the things that people observe? That soil will flow away with the air or it will move from up to down with the water. So what are the common things here we can observe? That landsliding are very common in here if you move the trees which are helping to grab the soil. That's why we never should take the trees on the hills or mountains. So here what are the things happen? The people are taking the trees away to make the clean roads and hotels. When the hotels and roads are increasing, obviously what the things also will increase where we have to face the landslidings and the floods are very common. Before when we have a trees, these floods and landslidings are not there because who are stopping them? The trees are helping to stop them. Now when we don't have a trees, now what are the obvious things that we can see in them? That landslidings and floods are very common nowadays in these mountains. So because of the floods and landsliding, who are the people affected? Yeah, the people who are living in the northern mountains. These are the side effects which are faced by nowadays the people who are living in the northern mountains. Okay, now I will ask you some questions. Answer those. Okay. For example, you have a chance to go to the northern mountains like Himalayas or Uttarakhand like that. So what are the things that you want to do and what are the things that you don't want to do? Now only we have seen some side effects. What are the things? Okay. What are the things that you should not do and what are the things you have to do in there? If I were there, if I have a chance to go in the northern mountains in Himachal Pradesh or Uttarakhand, do you know what I will do? I will never throw any garbage in those places. Okay, and I will tell that people don't use much vehicles up to the last point, up to the where the road will end. Some places are good to climb, where we can see the nature and where we can enjoy the beauty of the forest and nature. If you try to climb the mountains, then we have a chance to see wild animals and we will have a chance to enjoy the nature. Okay, but when you travel in the bus directly to reach your hotel, you will miss all this enjoyment. So if you have a chance to go mountainy places or any tourist spots in the northern mountains, always prefer bike. If it is a little bit far to the railway station or some, I'll tell that go by walk and don't throw any garbage in the mountain places. So it will help a lot. Okay, so follow these rules. Everyone please open your volume, page number 8. Yes, S4, we are in S4, threats to the Himalaya. So what is the thing you have to do? Write the date, okay? Now, read the story of Ravi in Mana from the Exceed content book. Complete the table based on the story. So first again what you have to do, you have to read one more time the story so you can fill the table. So Ravi has noticed many changes in the past few years. What are the changes he has noticed? Earlier the number of shops were less or more? Less. Because the number of people coming to visit their villages were also less. Before do they have any comfortable travelings? No, nowadays we have all trains and planes, right? Transport system has developed. Before they don't have a good transport system. Now we do. So now the number of shops are increased because the number of people coming to visit their villages have also increased. So what is the next thing? So they had joined that. So the increase in the number of shop causes what the side effects the causes? Yes, the increase in the number of shops causes number of tourists also has increased, and to make the new shops what we have to do? We have to cut the trees for the places. The increase in the number of people coming to visit their villages causes increase in the hotels. The tourist will need a place to stay. So when people are increasing, what are the effect immediately will affect? The hotels and the restaurants also will be increased, right? So that is where you have to write. Next, write one thing you will do and one thing that you will not do when you visit a Himalayan state, so that you do not damage the mountains or harm the place. So what I told, if you go to the Himalaya mountains, what is the thing that you will do and what are the things that you won't do to protect those nature, to protect the northern mountains, you have to write. I hope you all understood the lesson and try to read the Ravi story perfectly and give your own answers, okay? So after finishing each LP, what you're supposed to do? You have to read the lesson. I hope you are already reading the lesson and completing your volumes. Thank you.